Students, this is one of the important question of class 10th. A train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 15 km and then travels at a distance of 63 km at an average speed, 6 km per hour more than the first speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the journey, what was the first average speed? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि पहले जो है ट्रेन ने ट्रैवल किया 54 किलोमीटर एवरेज स्पीड पे, देन इट ट्रैवल्स 63 किलोमीटर, तब उसकी स्पीड 6 किलोमीटर पर आवर ज़्यादा थी. तो वी हैव टू दोनों डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करने में 3 आवर्स लगे हैं. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द फर्स्ट एवरेज स्पीड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सॉल्यूशन. लेट एवरेज स्पीड इज इक्वल टू एक्स. तो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड वॉज 54 किलोमीटर, राइट. सो टाइम टेकन for first distance to travel, let's say it's t1 is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 54 kilometer by speed is x. Okay, 54 by x hours हो गया. Now in the second phase, distance covered was 63 kilometer and speed was 6 kilometer per hour more than the first speed. So we will write it as the second speed will be x plus 6. Then our time taken will be, let's say it's t2, will be distance covered by my speed. Okay. Now according to question, time taken for both distance to be covered is 3 hours. So we can say that t1 plus t2 is equal to 3 hours, right? What is our t1? Our t1 is 54 by x. 54 by x plus 63 x plus 6 is equal to 3 hours. Okay. Now let's do the solution for this. Now we will take LCM x plus 6, then we have 54 multiplied by x plus 6 plus 63x is equal to 3, right? Now we have 54 multiplied by x is 54x plus 54 multiplied by 6 is 324 plus 63x by में x square plus 6x is equal to 3. Now we have 154x plus 63x is equal to 117x plus 324. This will go up here and it will multiply by 3. 3 multiplied by x square plus 6x. Okay. Now we have 117x plus 324 is equal to 3x square plus 18x. 3x square plus 18x minus 117x minus 324 is equal to 0. 3x square 117x minus 18x is equal to minus 99x minus 324 is equal to 0. Now we see that this whole equation is divisible by 3. So we will divide the whole equation by 3. We will have 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So we have x square minus 33x minus 108 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the factors of 108, so that product of it is 108 and when we subtract it we will get 33x. So it will be x minus 33, that will be, so the factors of 108 will be like minus 33x, 36x minus 3x minus 108. It will be plus 3x. So minus 36 plus 3x will be minus 33. Okay, is equal to 0. Now x, we will common factor of x square minus 33x, 36x is x. So we have a x minus 36 and we will take out 3 over here and we will have x minus 36 here. So x will be is equal to x minus 36 and will have x plus 3. Okay, so the answer for x is equal to 36 and x is equal to minus 3. We know that speed cannot be negative, so the average speed will be 36 km/h. Thank you.